In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostinger. If you ever need quick help with your hosting, domains, or email, Hostinger's built-in support makes it simple. I'll walk you through the exact path inside hPanel so you can reach support fast, and I'll share a few tips to describe your issue clearly for the fastest resolution. Start by going to the Hostinger hPanel websites page. Open your browser and enter the hPanel address, then choose Websites. This is the dashboard where all your projects live. If you're already signed in, you'll see your list of websites right away. If you're asked to log in, just use your Hostinger account as you normally do. Being on the Websites page helps the support tool understand which site you're working on, so it can suggest more accurate guidance. At the top of the page, look for the Ask option. It sits in the header and opens Hostinger's Help Assistant. Click it, and a side panel or chat window will appear. This is your direct line to Hostinger's knowledge base and, when needed, the support team. You don't have to navigate away from your dashboard. Everything happens right here. In the Ask window, type your problem. Be clear and specific so the system can route you correctly. A great format is to include what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Add the affected domain, any error messages you saw, and when the issue started. If you have a screenshot link, you can paste it to make things even clearer. Avoid sharing private information like full passwords or secret keys. Support will never need those in the chat. After you submit your message, you'll usually get suggested articles instantly. If one of them solves it, perfect. If not, continue the conversation in that same window, and a human specialist can step in. That's really all there is to it. Easy, simple steps from your website's dashboard to ask, then describe your issue. If you don't see the Ask button, refresh the page, clear heavy browser extensions that might block widgets, or try another up-to-date browser. And if you manage multiple sites, mention which one needs help so the team can pinpoint the right environment faster. To recap, go to the Websites page in hPanel, click Ask at the top, and type your problem with clear details. With that, you'll be connected to the right answers and, when needed, to the support team without leaving your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get speedy, accurate support from Hostinger whenever you need it.